These people here that they you try to help, but it can go bad. You know, some people.
Oh no, he has got an injured leg.
I think he's still a bit stiff.
Maybe.
He'll survive.
That back left's not looking the best, but
Maybe it's just. I don't think he broke it.
Yeah, he's
He walks.
there you go. There it is.
yeah, they take time.
No,